And next important question here, what are villi? What is their location and function? Answer, villi are the finger-like projections or outgrowths. They are present in the small intestine of our digestive system. The villi increases the surface area for absorption of the digested food. Okay, so this is the location and the function of the villi. Okay, and next question here, where is the bile produced? This is also important question. Which component of the food does it help to digest? Answer, bile juice is produced in the liver and it helps in the digestion of fats by breaking large fat globules into smaller ones. Okay, and next seventh question, name the type of carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans. Give the reason. Answer, cellulose is the carbohydrates that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans because humans lack cellulase enzyme required to digest the cellulose. Okay, cellulose, it is a type of carbohydrates. This cellulose can be digested by ruminants only. Okay, ruminants like cow, buffalo, deer, etc. Okay, so but not by human beings. Okay, human beings does not have cellulase enzyme. Okay, so this cellulase enzyme required to digest the cellulose. Okay, and next eighth question here, why do we get instant energy from glucose? Answer, glucose is a simple sugar which is easily absorbed by the blood, whereas other carbohydrates are first broken. Okay, so because of that we get instant energy from glucose. Okay, and next question here, ninth question in that, which part of the digestive canal is involved in? Okay, so here first, absorption of food. Here the absorption of food is taking place in small intestine. Okay, so the digested food passes into the blood vessels in the wall of the intestine. Okay, so that process is called as the absorption, right? Okay, so here food is absorbed in small intestine. Okay, and next, chewing of food. Okay, so we are chewing food in our buccal cavity or a mouth or in mouth, right? And next, third question here, killing of bacteria dash. The killing of bacteria is taking place in the stomach. Okay, so in stomach what happens, there will be hydrochloric acid is releases, right? Okay, so it is highly concentrated and this hydrochloric acid kills many bacteria that enters along with the food and makes the medium in the stomach acidic and helps the digestive juices to act. Okay, and next, fourth question in that ninth question, complete digestion of food. Okay, so the complete digestion of food is taking place in the small intestine region. When the partially digested food reaches the uh, lower part of the small intestine, okay, so where the intestinal juices completes the digestion of all components of food. Okay, so here what happens, carbohydrates get broken down into simple sugars such as glucose and fats into fatty acids and glycerol and proteins into amino acids. Okay, so like this, complete digestion of food taking place in small intestine part of the digestive canal. And for fifth question here, formation of fecus dash. The formation of fecus taking place in large intestine. Here in large intestine, uh, it absorbs water and some salts from the undigested food material. Okay, so the remaining waste passes into the rectum and remains there as a semi-solid fecus. The fecal matter is removed through the anus from the time to time. Okay, so here the formation of fecus is taking place in the large intestine. Okay, so students, this is all about some important questions from animal nutrition chapter. Okay, so all of you should prepare well for your FA1 test. Okay, thank you students.